Right, let's have a look at this question now then. So this question's all about sampling. So the psychologist obtained the participants from his school canteen. Name the sampling method that the psychologist used in this study. I don't have to explain why I've gone for it, I don't have to describe it, I just name it for 1 mark. So again, this is a question where I can gain some time and use that time for my extended answer questions. So name it. I don't even have to look at the stem for this one. She's obtaining them from the school canteen. So when I see that, I think she's taken the opportunity of the school canteen area. So this is opportunity sampling. Nice bit of mark there. The next bit is my evaluation bit. So identify 2. I'm not going to do 1, I'm not going to do 3, I'm just going to do 2. 2 disadvantages of the sampling method that you've named. So what are the disadvantages of my opportunity sampling here? And there's quite a few of these that I can talk about. So I could talk about how it is unrepresentative. So I would say one disadvantage of opportunity sampling is that it's unrepresentative. Then I'm going to show off a bit. I'm going to say, right, I'm going to make sure that you are going to give me marks for my evaluation. This means that. So what does this mean? It means that I cannot take the results from this study and apply it to the general population. That's what it means. If you think about it, I've gone above what the question's asking me, but I'm making sure that my examiner knows that I know what I'm talking about, and I've even been able to apply it to this study. So that's one disadvantage that I could talk about. Another one is you could talk about research bias. So I could say a second disadvantage of opportunity sampling is that of researcher bias. This means that the researcher may select certain participants, and that would make the sample very unrepresentative. Or it would, yeah, that's what you would talk about. Another one is that the sample may be of a very similar age. So what you find in opportunity sampling is you're probably going to get groups of people doing it. So you go up to a group and ask if they want to do it. So your likelihood is that you're going to get a group of friends that are very similar age. And that's going to make it unrepresentative. That's going to make it hard to generalise, etc. So that's what you need to be talking about. But again, I'd have a this means that, and I'd apply it to this study. Like I was saying, you might get a group of friends of a very similar age. That's showing that I can apply it. So if you didn't get top marks in this question, please go through. Number 1, check that you put the right sampling method. And number 2, check that you did give 2 disadvantages. To be honest, I'm probably going to go for those 2. And check, did you actually show off a bit and show this means that for each one?